Alright, let's see what you got. Ooh, what do you got? Holy jeez, look at that. It's a big pickerel. Nice one. Oh yeah. Alright. Oh, nope. Bring him in. Come here. There you go. Holy jeez.
Told you, man.
Oh, yeah, very nice. Holy crap.
That's what's up.
Oh, he was not getting away either. Lovely pickerel. Alright, you got the pliers? Let me see.
Yep. There you go. First fish of the day. Nice fucking pickerel. That's bigger than the one I caught last time I was here.
Beauty. Nice. Ooh, ooh.
Oh, he spit up the minnow. I don't want him to fuck himself up.
Oh, no, he won't, but your Senko's ruined.
That's alright.
He just spit up a crap ton of minnows, though. Sorry about that, folks. Wasn't expecting to have him drop like that, but there you go.
Right on, man. You can just chuck him back. He's nice.
Very nice. Ooh. Ooh, there he goes. Oh, there he goes. He's good. They're slippery. Oh, yeah. Slippery. Yeah, right here. Like, this is what he spit up. Little,
my Senko's room.
yeah, little shad minnows.
Yeah, it is.
Just like this, what they spit up. Yeah, room Senko. So, I could be a... Nice jump. Whoa. Oh, double header. So I could be a dick and be like, the pickerel doesn't count, it's only bass only. Alright, we won't play that way. Alright. Oh wow, look at the size of this one. Oh wow. This one's a nice. Ooh. Yeah, okay, we won't do that. Hey, you wanna know what I caught it off of? What? That dead minnow. Yes!
That's all
Oh my god!
That's cheap.
I'll prove it to you. You know the offset hook I was using, look.
Man.
Oh, that's great.
I can't respect that.
Alright, oh, it's still a nice bass though, isn't it? Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's nice though. Beauty. Alright, in you go. No, it's a pickerel. I seen it. Oh yeah. Great bigger. I think this one might be bigger than yours. Stocky fella. Oh man, he's got some weight. I finally caught you though. Oh yeah. Fishing here for hours, and now suddenly we got another one. Come on. Great big old pickerel. Yeah, oh! Ow! Fell right out of my hand. Oh, stop it. You're alright.
Nice pickerel.
Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Oh yeah, he's got that way down in there. That's what must have jumped at my line there when I said something jumped at it. It's probably this, because I did say it was something big. I assumed it was a bass, but very nice. There we go. Oh. No. They always flip and flop right out of your hand, though. Don't worry about it. It's a nice pickerel, though. Very nice. Ugh. I always keep falling out of my hands, though. And there he goes. Oh. He's right there. Whew. Well, that's our third fish. Season coming to an end, you know, fishing's gonna slow down here. Ugh.